Good morning, this is Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and here we're at one of our units in Santa Clara, and I am with Glenda Crespo, and we're going to take a look and see what kind of work we do. As you can see, this is one of the units, and just take note of how clean everything is. I'm not going to say too much. All of this speaks for itself. These windows come out and get cleaned when things are done. Just look at how this track is clean. The refrigerator, all of this comes out and gets cleaned in the bathtub with vinegar. We're cleaning this with vinegar.
We don't use harsh chemicals to clean.
Here's the bedroom. Just take a look at how clean this is.
Junior one bedroom.
This is the level of work you can expect from here. Just take a look at inside the
Bathtub.
how clean this is. And Glenda is also a, what is it? It's a California, what is it? It's a certified residential manager. So we can do everything from getting the place ready to getting a tenant to
all the troubleshooting, all the paperwork, and all the turnover of a unit in a one-stop shop with Kent.
Yeah, you get a lot of performance out of one hand.
And open the closet.
Okay. And also, what we're doing here is we're building a relationship with property owners based on hard work,
Ethical,
strong morals, trust.
right? Communication. And then the closet here. This is a junior one bedroom.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Even inside the closet, oftentimes they'll think, oh, don't do inside the closet.
No, we take care of everything. It's detailed, clean work. There's no Band-Aids here. So you will get your money's worth. Theoretically, a turnover can be anywhere. It depends on the square footage and the kind of deep cleaning or light cleaning that needs to get done. But say the quote is $2,000 and the rent is $4,000. You've made your money, and the lease is for 12 months. So it will be okay. There is always a cost when you turn over a unit, and it's very well worth it, as you can see. The quality of residence is also very important, and so the recruiting and screening and the quality of residence will make a big difference in maintaining your home. The vendors are all either certified or licensed or have years of experience, and so the people that we bring on board to join Kent and I have experience and have everyone's best interest. So they do quality work. It's not just Band-Aid work, but it's quality work that will last a long time, not just, a month or so. I'm Glenda.
And I'm Kent. And if you have a project in your home, your office, or your commercial space, give us a call. We're a one-stop shop. We build strong relationships, strong work ethic. And also for the videos and for the channel and for us and our business, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you soon.